Uh, in the previous class, we were discussing one question was 216 question was under discussion, but the video clip was stopped. So let's continue from there. Again, I'm repeating 216th question of animal kingdom. All the flying birds from the following, all are flying birds from the following except A. Corvus, B. Columba, C. Pistacula. Corvus means crow, it's a flying one. Columba means pigeon, it's a flying. Pistacula means again parrot, it's a flying. D. Appenditus is a non-flying. Next question, we have done that already. In fact, this we were discussing. 217th question, pneumatic bones are present in Corvus. Of course, in birds, it's a characteristic of birds. Corvus is a crow, bird is present. Fine. Neophron, vulture, correct. It's also bird. Pavo, peacock, it's also bird. D option, all of these is correct answer. Next, which of the following is incorrect about birds? Air sacs is connected to lungs which help in respiration. It's a correct statement. We have to find out the wrong statement. Hind limbs possess scales. Of course, correct. Hind limbs, legs possess scales. Right? And are modified for walking, swimming, or clasping, etc. Correct statement. Separate sexes, that is genders are separate. Male species, female are separate. Of course, correct. Internal fertilization do occur. Oviparous, they lay eggs and they show direct development. No larval stages, direct development. All these are correct. D option, endoskeleton consists of feathers. Endo, you all very well know endo refers to inside, whereas exoskeleton consists of frog. So endoskeleton consists of feathers, scales, beak and claws. All are exoskeleton structures. So this statement is wrong. 18th question, D option is the correct one. Next, Mammalia means, now we are moving on to class Mammalia, the last class. Mammalia means organisms which possess A. exoskeleton, B. endoskeleton, C. mammary glands, and D. 2 pair of limbs. Mammalia, main characteristic, possessing mammary glands. Option C is the answer. The following features belong to exoskeleton includes hair on the body, horns and nail. Pinna is present. Heart is a four-chambered. They are warm-blooded, that is nothing but homeotherms. Thecodont and heterodont. Thecodont refers to having teeth in the sockets. Heterodont refers to having different types and size and structures of different functions of teeth. Both are correct. A. Reptilians, B. Aves, C. Mammalia, and D. Amphibians. You all very well know. These are all the characteristics of class Mammalia. Option C is correct. Next, mammals are adapted for what? He is asking. For option A, walking and running, correct. Climbing and burrowing, also correct. Some of the mammals in wild, climbing, burrowing also. Swimming and flying, swimming, correct. Which one? Whale, mammal, swimming. Flying, bat is flying mammal. So all are correct. Walking, running, climbing, burrowing, swimming, flying are correct. So option D, all of the above or any of the above is correct answer. Next question, mammals are mostly A. viviparous, B. oviparous, C. oviviviparous, D. all of these. A. viviparous is the correct answer because they give birth to young ones. Next question, oviparous mammal, very good question. Oviparous mammal, canis dog, A. canis, B. felis means cat, C. pteropus, that is flying fox, known as flying fox commonly. D. ornithorhynchus, that is known as platypus. You all know egg-laying mammal is nothing but platypus. Oviparous mammal is a platypus. Clear? Next question. Select the incorrect matching. Kangaroo, Macropus, correct. Commonly known as blue whale, Balentoptera, correct. Monkey, macaca, correct. Elephas, camel, correct. Wrong. Elephas means elephant. For camel, they have given the matching, so it's a wrong matching. D option. 225th question. Find out the incorrect matching. Again, incorrect matching we have to find out. Reptiles, Chelone, Testuda, Chameleon. All are reptiles only. Chelone, Testuda, Chameleon. All are reptiles. Correct matching. Aves on left hand side. Right hand side they say Pistacula, Appenditis, Neophron. All are birds only. Aves. Next option C. LHS, mammals. This side. Elephas, Rattus, Delphinus. All are mammals. Right? Elephas, you know, elephant, Rattus, rat, Delphinus. Amphibia, left hand side D option. Here it says Naja, which is a snake. Bangaras, again is a snake. Calotis is again a lizard. All left hand side they are given amphibian. Right hand side they are given all reptiles. So this is the incorrect matching for 225th question. D is the right answer. Wrong matching, right answer. Next, aquatic mammal. Very easy. Aquatic mammal. Clear? Panthera tigris, tiger. A. B. Ballantoptera. C. Pteropus. D. Marcus. Panthera tigris A means tiger. B. Ballantoptera means whale. Clear? That's the answer. B option. C. Pteropus. Fine. D. Macropus. No. Next, which of the following is a rat? Very easy. You can find out. You yourself can find out. Felis, Canis, Camelus, Rattus. Rattus means rat. Camelus, camel. Canis, dogs. Felis, cats. Which of the following mammal have aerial adaptation, aerial mode of life? Very easy question. A. Felis, B. Cat, B. Canis, C. Bat, D. Macropus. Of course, answer is bat. It's a flying mammal. Clear? The basic fundamental feature which enables us to broadly classify the animal kingdom are. Try to understand the question once again. The basic fundamental feature which enables us to broadly classify the animal kingdom are level of organization and symmetry, correct. B. Cell organization, coelom, also correct. Then segmentation of notochord, also correct. D answer, all of the above. Open. Next question. Select the total number of correct statements from the following. First statement. Coelentrates have tentacles and bear nidoblast. Correct statement. Coelentrates, they have tentacles also and they consist of stinging cells, nidoblast also. Second, ctenophores are marine animals and comb plates. Of course, very much correct. Ctenophora, third phylum, exclusively marine animals and they have comb plates also. Third statement, annelids are metamerically segmented animals with true coelom. Of course, very much correct. Annelids means annulus, rings, true metameric segmentation. Fourth statement, the echinoderm possesses water vascular system. Of course, very much correct. Echinodermata consists of water vascular system like starfish, tube feet, water vascular system. Of course, correct. Next statement, hemichordates are small group of worm-like animals characterized by cylindrical body with proboscis, collar and trunk. Of course, very much correct about hemichordata. The classical example, Melanogaster, if you recall, we have told proboscis, gland, trunk and all. So all these statements are correct. So option A, 2, all 5 options are correct here. So option A, 2, option B, 3, option C, 4, option D, 5. Option D, 5 is the correct answer. Next, the most primitive chordates and are ectoparasites. Ecto, outside, exoparasite. On fishes belong to which class? Already also we have discussed this question earlier also. A. Chondriocthies, B. Amphibia, C. Cyclostomata, D. Osteocthies. C. Cyclostomata, they anchorage, fine, they are the exoparasites to largest fishes. I have told you, example like suckerfish also, the example I have told you, but that suckerfish don't belong to Cyclostomata. Suckerfish which attaches to shark, Cyclostomata, you all know, clear. Next, select the incorrect matching. Incorrect matching. A is a phylum, B is a segmentation, C circular system, D distinctive features. Clear? Understand? So here in A, you can see the question here. It's given in columns A, B, C, D. Then again option in A, Ctenophora, then B, fine, clear. B, what is that? Phylum, Ctenophora, A. Then in that, again A absent, C is absent. What is C? Circulatory system is absent. D, comb plates are for locomotion. Next phylum, next option B, Aschelminthes, fine. Segmentation is absent, correct. Then circulatory system is present. Then D, worm-like shaped body. So this option is correct. Other options are wrong. Next question. The below figure diagram shows which type of symmetry. You can see here, it's given in our NCERT book also, in our study material also. A bilateral, B radial, C biradial, D asymmetrical. You can see the question, fine. You can see the question, you can see the diagram. It is biradial symmetry. What symmetry? Biradial symmetry. Next question. The below diagram shows dash symmetry, which is also found in the following group of organisms. Fine, clear. Symmetry diagram is shown here. Diagram is shown clearly. Fine. Then they have given the options. A option: Adamsia, Astes, Aplysia. B: Salpa, Hyla, Calotis. C: Taenia, Tenoplana, Antedon. D: Dolium, Gorgia, Sycon. This is found in, clear. This is a symmetry, true symmetry here. It is clear. I mean, ectodome, endodome, mesodome they have shown, and they have shown the true symmetry. It is found in frogs and reptiles, Salpa also. So option B is correct answer for 234th question. Next, 235th question, again diagram based question. The excretory organ present in the organism given in the figure. Excretory organ in the figure. This diagram you can recognize as tapeworm, Taenia solium. So in Platyhelminthes we have told flame cells. So recall that knowledge. Now options: A. Rennet cells, no. B. Protonephridia or flame cells. C. Malpighian tubules. D. Kidneys. Fine. Rennet cells, fine, are not the excretory organs or cells in case of Platyhelminthes. You all know Platyhelminthes with the stress point, star mark point. I have told you flame cells. In some animals, Protonephridia. So this is the B is the correct answer for 235th question. Moving on to next question. 236th question. All the features are present in the organism which is shown below in the diagram except one characteristic. The diagram you can see here, it is a diagram of this diagram we are talking about now. This question we are discussing. So this diagram you all know, fine. This diagram is a Pila globosa diagram. It is nothing but what we call commonly the garden snail, Pila globosa. What are the characteristics? Let's see. Option A, it belongs to second largest animal phylum. Clear. What is the question here? All the features are present in the organism which is shown below in the diagram except, okay. Body is segmented and covered by calcareous shell. This is one. Body is not segmented. Body is not segmented body. So this is the answer. B option is the correct answer. Last two questions. 237th question. Find out the total number of organisms given in the following diagrams that belong to marine habit. Marine habit. Fine. Many organisms are given here. A, B, C, D, E are given here. Fine. Out of these, clear. A is a marine animal. B is a marine animal. C is a marine animal. D is a marine animal. Whereas E is a labio. It is a bony fish. It's a freshwater animal. So out of these, 1, 2, 3, 4 are marine animals. So option C is the correct answer. So it says option A 1, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Out of these 5 animals, 4 animals are marine. That is A, B, C, D animals that are shown are marine. So option C is the correct answer. Last question, moving on to the last question, 238th question. Organisms given in the figure is respire through. The organism which is given here, the animal which is given here is frog. Clear. The frog is the animal given here. Fine. So this animal respires through A, lungs, B, buccopharynx, lung cavity. Fine. Then C, skin, and all of this. D, A, all of this is correct. So here we complete the questions of animal kingdom. 238 questions we have discussed. Any doubts you have, you can clarify, you can ask. Any other questions also you get. Questions along with answers, you message me. I will tell if I know. Fine. Keep studying. God bless you. Good luck. Take care.